Good morning, good evening, everyone, depending on where you are watching this from. I am here today to introduce to you a new and first ever AI software engineer. It is out in the market and its name is Devin. Now, apparently Devin can do entire projects on its own. It has done projects from Upwork, from beginning to finish. It can fix GitHub issues and it can even deploy projects. Now, that is causing developers across the world to freak out. Well, not all, because I am not freaking out, but most of them, or a good number of developers, are actually freaking out. Now, why am I not freaking out? Let me give you my reasons. Number one, do you think any serious company will hire an AI to do its job as a software engineer? I personally don't think so. That's the reason number one why I'm not freaking out. Now, just asking, how many software engineers do you know that have lost their jobs because of AI? ChatGPT has been here for quite some time now. When it came out and people heard that it can write code, people were again freaking out. But let me ask you, how many stories have you heard yourself that software engineers have lost jobs because of AI? I personally haven't heard any. Let me know in the comments if you have heard any. The second thing, can an AI sit down with a client and actually understand the requirements and build software? No, it cannot do that. Some of these things it is only a human that can do. If you are a client today, would you be comfortable sitting down with an AI to write or rather to discuss something like the idea you have and then trust an AI to build you the software? I don't think so. So these are some of the things that are best done by humans. Now, the other reason and the last one is because the market is dominated by old systems. This is not the time that we are starting to build software, right? Software has been here for a long time. We have been doing it. And the market out there is full of those old systems. And as software engineers, we need to integrate into those systems. We need to, first of all, understand how they are working, and even in some cases replace them entirely. Do you really think that an AI is going to do that? I doubt. AI is still a long way from doing that. Now, AI is good and the advancement of AI is good. And that is why we should embrace AI as software engineers. And AI is here to help us become more productive. So as a software engineer, if you are in your first year of school, if you are even thinking of going and starting your degree in software engineering, computer science and all that, if you are just graduating or if you already are practicing software engineer, do not freak out because of AI. Software engineers, and in this case, human software engineers, not AI software engineers, will be in demand for the longest, and that demand will continue to rise. AI is going to help us to become more productive, of course, because it will take away the boring tasks and we are left to do that interesting things that require your brain to come up with solutions. Those are the reasons why I am not freaking out, why I am actually excited about Devin and ChatGPT and Google Gemini and all that, and everyone else thinking about building that. Go for it. We are waiting for it out here. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and of course subscribe to my channel so that you can get more videos like this and even coding videos. Cheers.